Welcome to Skugrid. In this video, we will show you how to enable or disable buy box owner on multiple items at once. Once you are logged into your Skugrid account, simply put a check mark next to the items you wish to change. Or, if you need to select all items on a page, click Multiple Item Actions. Click Select All on Current Page. Click Enable Buy Box Owner. This will enable the buy box owner functions on all of the selected items. To turn it off, you can put a check mark next to the items you want to change or go back to Multi-Item Actions and select All on Current Page if you want to select all on a page. Then click Multi-Item Actions. Click Disable Buy Box Owner. This will turn the setting off on individual items. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.